So much for joining us. I'm Angela Taylor. The pandemic put a spotlight on mental health. According to the World Health Organization, anxiety and depression increased by 25% during the first year of the pandemic. CBS 17's Galat Malamed is live outside the Department of Health and Human Services, who actually hosted a mental health town hall tonight. And Galat, this is so important for people.
And that's why Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Cody Kinsley says there is no health without mental health. And that's a sentiment that was shared by all the speakers this evening and the people in the crowd who asked them questions about what can be done to improve mental health. A conversation around mental health.
We have to treat mental health far more like primary care than specialized care.
Dozens of people in Nash County discussed ways to improve mental health care at a town hall with state lawmakers and Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Cody Kinsley.
If there's one thing that I think really unites us all, it is a recognition that right now people are stressed and anxious in a way that they never have been before.
That's especially true in children and teens. According to a 2021 CDC survey, 37% of high school students reported they experienced poor mental health during the pandemic. Someone asked how DHHS is collaborating with public schools. Kinsley says one of the biggest challenges is hiring school counselors. I asked Kinsley what else the state's doing to improve youth mental health.
We launched something called NC-PAL, which gives primary care doctors a number they can call to talk to a psychiatrist and a psychologist to give them support to provide behavioral health care to kids in their office.
According to the North Carolina Child Fatality Task Force, suicide was the leading cause of death for children ages 10 to 14 in North Carolina in 2020. Kinsley is reminding families about the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline that launched in July.
988 has been huge. We've had nearly a 50% increase in callers since it's launched month over month.
This is the second of several mental health town halls DHHS is hosting across the state. Kinsley says that 83% of those new callers are first-time callers, showing the need for this simple 3-digit crisis lifeline that we now have. Live in Raleigh, Galat Malamed, CBS 17 News.
A lot of important information there. Galat, thank you so much.